Evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. That's Ingerable, your host. We're looking at our weekly market analysis session. Today, we'll be going through what has happened throughout the year, looking at the yearly perspective of all our tradable pairs. Start with the dollar index, look at what has happened and what we project may likely happen in 2024. All right, so right away, this is the weekly chart. You can see from January 2021 to where my cursor is, it's been consolidating. It continued a downward movement from 2022, created double bottom, swept it in July, and rallied higher, cleared buy side liquidity over here, traded into the weekly CB. You can see they just a little. I actually was expecting to, come back to this bullish breaker block and then rally high into this feed range. That was what I was looking at. Unfortunately, it broke below the breaker block and then traded back to it as resistance and traded lower. Now, my last line of defense is this level where it is right here. That is my last line of defense. You can see the rejection. I'm not really confident in this rejection. I am looking at it going trading below the free in this monthly CB perfectly well. And I trade back to this position that got before another significant movement. I will tell you why. Look at the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame. So we can see how the CB, this is a monthly CB. We traded into it September, October, and created a swing high and then broke lower. The bullish order block here that's traded and closed below it. So this low, I think, is going to be in jeopardy. I want to see it trade and fill in this edge. You can see that in the month of July, it traded just a little, it didn't fill in completely. I want to see that field, and then let this breaker block act as resistance support rather, which is also in close proximity with the monthly basis. So I want the monthly basis to be totally filled completely before any significant rally high. Now, of course, markets can do whatever it wants to do. We only analyze based on the technical indicators we're seeing here, based on what price is doing at the moment. So I actually put this line here. I want to see how it reacts around the consequent encroachment of this week. And you can see how in fact the expected movement has rejected. But I am not convinced. Okay, I feel that we want to go lower to clear this low, feeling completely, and then straight to this level to measure this 50% of that level. That's what I want to see. Let's go to 3 months. 3 months level is still that same monthly BC. That's not fading completely. Okay, so I want to see it failing completely. 6 months basis. So on a 6-month basis, you can see what happened. We have a bullish order block traded above it. So if we come back one more time, it tells the open of the bullish order block. That is also permissive. And if you look at the PC on 6 months basis, you can see that we have another feature. Let me just show you. So these are some lower discounts arrays that can be met. Okay, can be met and still remain bullish. Remember, is has expanded, is retracing. So if you put your feed from this low, the high that has been made on 6 months basis, it has traded below equilibrium into disconnect. And I want to touch the 62% trade. That's why I said that low might be tested again, and then it will book into the 60% retracement level and even touch the bullish order block on 6 months time frame basis, okay, and still rally higher. So this bullish order block here open, not the high now, straight back to it, still rally higher. That's all permissible. Remember, this CB, it's acting as inversion edge to go higher. We have the BC, I want to see it straight to, and then go higher. So that can also happen. Okay, it's on 12 months basis. So my C1 spike, take out this low, and then remember what has been created here, FVG on 12 month basis, FVG. So if the trade take out the low of this year, that can happen in January. If you take out the low of 2023, it was created in July, take that low out. It might not fill in this FPG completely, it might not, but we take out that low out and then still rally higher. That can still happen. So these are now why am I having that bias? This, if you look at it, it's been bearish, traded higher in 1985, made the all-time high, and then traded lower, took out this low, valid of feeding this CB, and then rejected lower, took out the relatively poor lows in 2008. It's been consolidating since. This swing higher was broken finally in 2015, traded back to CB and consolidated like that, traded higher again in the month of January last 2020. 2022 like that, we had a breakout of this high. So this is our order block. Want to see how price rallies around this level and something like that. This little bit more highs today. I feel that that'll be our next level of expansion. Which, okay, so that's actually long-term perspective. What I'm looking at is that this low in July this year can be swept. This range may not be completely filled, right? It will just sweep and then rally higher. That's what I'm looking at. So 6-month basis, sweep it, trade, just sweep it, hook its head into the BC on yearly basis, and then rally higher. 3 months. See what has happened in 3 months. So the market, this is here. So I want to see it filling completely. This is that 12 months PC. I don't think it's going to fill it completely. I told you that I might take out this low here. This low here. That's what I'm looking at. Take out this low, use it, and then it shouldn't close below the monthly C. If it closes below the monthly PC, then I'm taking up to this level. So how it trades around this, if it trades and closes below it, then it will be bearish for the next 3 months. Okay. So let's see how January usually is supposed to be consolidation. So but it could be bearish because it has already started the bearish strong. Right. So it could be bearish. I want to see it break through this and reject. I don't want to see it close below it. If it closes below it, then it will be bearish to get to this level. This bullish order block on 6 months and 3 months. Right, this line which is the high end, the low end of the PC. 12 months time frame. Okay, so that is it. That's what I'm looking at. I know that it's going to go lower to sweep this low. one more time before we see the rally high. Why? Because it has already created, it has created FVG. So it has created. It's created FVG. So we want to see it trade into the FVG one more time. Just trade into it and the rally. So the high of this candle and the low of 2020. So the high of 2021 and the low of 2023, it created a BC. So 2022 created that BC. So I want to see it poke through, just poke through and then rally high. 50% is okay, and then rally high. That can happen in January. So that's why I said that we're going to go lower. So I'm anticipating lower movement in the dollar. Lower movement in the dollar. Okay. So the whole month of January, we're anticipating a lower movement in dollar. Okay. It has already closed below this low. So um, I don't want to see it take out December's high. I want to see it rather take out December's low and see if you can take out July's low, which I think it can do. Right? So the month of January, let's see how it does that in the month of January. So weekly time frame, what like I told us, there's service liquidity here. Internal range, all the internal range liquidities, this low here has been swept. The FVG that is here has also been properly filled, and you can see the reaction. Now, why did it react this way? If you go to daily time frame, go to daily time frame. No, not daily time frame. Monthly time frame rather. This, why did it get here and stop? To measure the constant encroachment of this week. That is where it came, touched it, and then rejected. So the next line of action should be to trade through it and then fill in this range completely. I want to see fill in completely and also reject. I don't want to see it close below it. If it closes below it, then we'll go to this mark that I marked, that in 12 months uh, uh, low end of the PC. I feel that if you get there, if you just take out the July's low and still rally high, that's what I'm looking at. So what do I expect? I expect that this low will be taken out. It will consolidate because looking at here, it's been going down. So on daily time frame, we have some levels. We have FVG here. We have relatively core highs here, and we have FVG here. Volume imbalance. So you could trade to this volume imbalance and give up the goods and go lower. Already that's already doing that Thursday, Friday. So it might gravitate up to this volume imbalance, hook his head above it, enter this inefficiency area, and then see give up the growth and go lower. That is what I'm anticipating. That's what I'm looking at. So we rally up, allow this equal highs into this volume imbalance, and then go lower, which is also in close proximity to the high, as the highest point. So the low, okay, yeah, 62% retracement. So that's the level I'm targeting. So dollar is going to move up to this level before any significant fall down to fill in this level. But if it takes closes above this, then we'll do manipulations. If we get to this level and still go bearish, no problem. It shouldn't close above this. I want to see it go up to this level, go lower. So it goes up to this level, it goes lower. So something like this. Move here, and then let me use this. Use this tool to move to this level, go to this level and then rally up. That's what I'm looking at. That's my anticipation for the dollar. So one leg down goes up to this level and then rally down to this level and rally up. So I need it to fill in this completely before it starts going high. But it shouldn't close, it should can break through. But the body of the candle should not close below this edge. Right? That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. Okay. So you will see the rally up in the first week of January, rally up to this level, and then start trading lower. Second to third week of January. This level. Start resuming higher in the last week of January. That's my prognostication to go high. The moment it closes below this level, resume lower movement to this level. All right. Till then, this is what we're looking for. All right. So we'll see how we trade around these levels. Okay. Let's go to Euro USD. So Euro USD on 12 months, it was bullish, whereas dollar index was bearish. Okay. So this has swept this low. This particular trading view did not give us, but it's not a premium version. If not, would have seen other charts. I want to see it go lower. Okay, I want to see it go lower. To measure this, what do you call it? This week, consequent improvements around this level, which is in close proximity with this monthly BC. That's where I'm looking at price getting to. That's where I'm looking at price getting to for any movement higher. This is on monthly basis and also 12-month basis as well. So looking at something here, I want to see downward movement. I don't want this thing to be too high. I don't want it to be taken out. But this year's high shouldn't also be taken out. Except it could be taken out, yes, it could be taken out, and then, but the 2022's high should not be taken out. 2021 high, 2023's high could be taken out and still go lower. This particular high, and this high could be taken out, yes, and still go lower. It shouldn't get to this level. This high shouldn't. This 2022's high, this particular high should not be taken out. This can be taken out and then go lower. We go lower. So what has been happening? We also saw that the whole of this year we've been consolidating. You see massive. This is January. This January is consolidating. Swell below. So when you see high cap, this will still be high, and then trading range and then go lower. This is actually my target. This is actually my target. This is my target. Also, the level it has gotten to, I want to see this high taken out and then resume lower movement on the dollar. So it's been consolidating the whole of 2023 on a monthly basis. It's been consolidating. On a weekly basis, saw how price moved from this level, value up, then lower. It gets some sort of double bottom. While it has served external range liquidity, was gravitating to volume imbalance. We didn't get there. We traced again, optimum trade entry, valid higher, and then got into the volume imbalance, filled it completely in July, and then traded lower. Took out this low and this import lows right here, and you can see the movement up to this level. Now, I was expecting it to retrace from here. It didn't because dollar started going down. This started pushing up. Now, if we expect dollar to take out this low, all right, that means that Euro USD will take out this high because there's no other external range liquid apart from internal range liquid apart from this particular candle here. Check daily time frame. You see what I mean? It's equal highs, relative equal highs, and then FPG. That's the only internal liquidity that might get to before it takes out this high. in July. Okay, so back to the weekly time frame. I want to see it consolidate here, trade back to the blue shutter block and rally higher to these highs. Okay, um, daily time frame, it has touched that 50%. What's 50%? 50% of the this week is that's the consequent encroachment of this week. We got there and then rejected. So that's this line you're seeing. This line you're seeing here. Okay. And what's this? This particular one is volume imbalance. Time volume imbalance. Just to take in one more time. So what am I expecting? I want to see retracement back to this position that block. I have small leverage here. So on that value high. Same vein, dollar index will go up to this level and then go lower. That's how I want to see this. This can also retrace. If this bullish order block does not hold price, it could retrace up to this level. You can see inefficiency right here. But this low should be made. I don't want this low to be violated. If you measure from this low this time, this inefficiency, this LPG, is around optimum, the OTE level, around the optimum trade level. So I want to see which is deep discount. Trade into this level, and then rally. So this should hold price as support to take price to send price higher, player on the side, player on the side as well. Different form of retracement lower. But if it closes below this low, this FPG, if this FPG does not hold price, it means that uh, for dollar index, it means that this FPG also couldn't hold price. This CB could not hold price as a resistance. So if this CB is broken, that means this BC here will also be what? Broken. And we start seeing downward movement on Euro USD and upward movement on the dollar. But I have the opinion that this CB is going to act as a resistance to send price lower, failing this inefficiency completely before it releases any movement high, before it starts its bullish movement. Now, that is also going to give what do you call it, permission for what do you call it, the BTC to rally up to the level that have been at 9 weeks months ago. You get them. All right, so what am I looking at? Based on my analysis on the dollar, I want to see this trade up to this level. This should not hold sway. Should break it down to this level in January and then trade higher, sweeping out this high. That's what I'm looking at. So I want to see movement, something like this. So from this level, measure this value. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, the next one is GBP US. So on monthly basis, what has happened? Let's take out all these lines. And as well, so this is January 2023 and this is December 2023. So in January, from this whole year, you can see the consolidation. Consolidated January till March, and then rally up into where inefficiency, this resistance zone, and then you can see the reaction. Rejected back to the other block and was sent another impulsive movement higher. So this movement up to sweep out this high. We have little inefficiency here. That's the level I want it to get to, which is also in close proximity with the monthly bearish order block. And then from this level, we see movement lower. From check from the high, this highest point, this is high, then low, That's around the 79% retracement level. So it's permissible to get there and then give up the ghost. All right. These equal heights should be maintained. Relatively equal heights, though they're not equal, but they're relatively equal. Should be maintained. They shouldn't take out this high. So value up to this level, this belly shoulder block should go sway FPG and then centralize lower into this BC. That is what into this BC feeding completely before we see if it's going to respect it or not. All right. So that's what we're looking at. Weekly basis. See how value up, came down, swept this low, swept this is equal highs, swept them, created another equal high, trade lower, after bullish order block, only it has swept it into a FPG order block. Expected it to dead lower, took out these lows, back to this bullish order block here, and see how body respected it, and then this is where we are right now. So there are some levels I outlined. I wanted this breakout block to hold price. When it broke above it, I knew that we were going higher, and this is where we are right now. So I can take out this, no more salient. So this is where we are right now. All these levels are from daily time frame, I suppose. They are from daily time frame. Okay, even this supposed to. All right, this as well. All right. So what are the levels here? You have very short block. Extend it out in time. I think we are and then that's where we are. Take it off because I cooked it. So um, you could sweep this high if dollar keeps going down. You could sweep this high and still go lower. We have this smaller BG here. So we sweep this high and get into this smaller BG here. That's the high the BG is. Yeah, get there before it goes lower. That will still be okay for our bearish movement on euro on GBP USD. So what am I looking at? Uh, daily time frame. Daily time frame. We had this. Let's see this FVG here. Acted around it and then rallied higher. So that we've taken out this high. Now we had this FVG. We had the FVG low and high. This one got to this point, we didn't feel it completely. You can say it has filled it completely now. 28th of December, it filled in completely and then rejected. See where we are. I want to see poke higher. I want to see poke higher. So we could consolidate here because the only discount array have these equal lows here, and then this inefficiency. You may not get to this level. I think that from this, sometimes GPUSD can be very crazy. So this level, we trade back to this bullish order block on this particular one, and then still rally higher. We have equal, equal highs. So trade consolidate here and still rally higher, sweep this high inside this package, and then finally take out talking about upward in July and still because the internal eligibility here, this one has been pushed. We have one more here before this final one. So any consolidation here, movement higher, we need to sweep this high into this IPG before we start moving lower. Then the dollar remains consolidated around that low. If we give this ample time to rally higher, sweep this high before we start moving lower. All right. Even if we sweep this high, I will still be long-term bearish on GBP USD to the long term because of the monthly time frame perspective. So this monthly time frame will show you this particular FVG here, which is below this, which is above this high. So you sweep to the can go touch that FVG before it starts running lower. So I'm still very much comfortable. But if it breaks above this swing high, this particular one here, and this equal highs will be taken out and be extremely good. I don't see that happening because I want to see this take this high and then give up the goods and start trading lower. That's my expectation for GBP USD. Okay, for our Aussie pair, AED USD monthly time frame. So from the month of January, this is January. This is January. So from the month of January down to where we are right now, you can see just still within the range. The high to the low is in the discount level. If I didn't take out this low, I actually wanted it to take out this in my analysis video. You would have heard me say I wanted this low to be violated. It didn't because dollar started going bearish. That's why this thing moved higher in November and December. So what am I expecting? This high will be taken out, and this one you can see equal highs here. We have a bearish order block. I want to see price trade back to that bearish order block. So if you look at the sweep projection from this highest point, this lowest point created here. So this is the level I want to trade to, 70.5 level. This level, I need to trade to this level before any significant downward. Okay. On weekly time frame, this is January 2023. It went up, swept this high, back to this bearish order block, and went lower, took out these lows, consolidated, created relatively poor lows, swept it again, filled in the BC completely and rallied higher, swept these highs, and then went lower, swept these lows. When it did this, I was expecting to trade up to this, what you call a breaker block, and then go lower. Consolidated, took out these clean lows, and rallied higher. So this is where we are right now. Let me take out this. We don't need it anymore. We don't need this as well. So I want to see this bullish order block act as support. So I want to see price trade back to this bullish order block, and then same price that I clean out these highs and these equal highs here. So we're looking at the swing projection from this high to this low. Bullish movement, you see this FVG here. This high should not be violated because this high actually swept liquidity and feeding inefficiency here. So it shouldn't be violated. I want to see this FVG triggered too. So I want to see price trade back to this level, consolidating and rally higher to this level before any significant movement lower. That's what I'm looking at. So if we expect dollar to move up before going down, then this will move down, consolidate here, then rally up before it goes down. So something like this. So from there, I want to see this this bullish order block should act as support. Then we send price to this before that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at for this. Same thing goes. Okay, so on daily basis, sorry, let's go back to AUD. So on daily time frame, this FPG can be traded to, which is in same proximity with this bullish order block. So if I extend it out in time, let's see this bullish order block. So let's go to daily time frame. This FVG, I want price to trade up to it before movement higher. So and then only up before it goes down again. Okay, so I have clean highs here. I want to see trade give the impression that this is a resistance that cannot be broken, trade down to this level and then rally higher. So that's what I'm looking at. So NZD USD. Check out this. It's resilient on weekly. So also for weekly. All right. So the month of the year of 2023, just a downward trend, and then we saw a movement higher from November. I actually wanted this to go lower, take out these lows. We didn't because of that change is point. So we said reversing, the going higher. You can see equal highs here. I see FPG as our next line of call. Just looking for any significant movement lower. So this is what I'm looking at. So we measure this high, this low, that's level, it's level. So this bullish bearish order block should act as resistance. So the trade filling and then touch the bearish order block before any movements um, lower. Okay, monthly time frame, weekly time frame. Let me mark that in my hands so that good, good. So this is level I'm looking at monthly basis. So this last up close candles, bearish order block. I want us to trade to that level and then start going lower. So that's my anticipated level. So I want to see January, February trade to that level before we start going um, bearish. Because at that time, dollar would have fulfilled its lower objective before it starts going higher. So dollar starts going higher, this will now start going lower. But you have to get to this point first before it starts going lower. I want to see this high not traded to this bearish order block should act as resistance to sell price lower. So that's our objective for the first quarter. I want to see trade to that level before it starts. Let's see how we have what happens in the month of January. January, I want to see this bullish order block here act as support. Sell price, clear this equal highs into this um, this CB on monthly time frame before it starts going lower. That's my anticipation for this pair. Okay, so you can see how weekly time frame where is January. So this is January, right up, took out this high, and then went down into where this valid up, swept equal highs into FVG. I see here just a little, I think 50% of thereabouts. Didn't feel it completely, and then went lower, closed below the BC. I then felt that okay, it will rally up to the volume imbalance or at least the breaker block and then send price they want to sweep this move. That was my anticipation. Unfortunately, we consolidated around this FVG, now inversion FVG, traded lower, and then you can see the rally higher since dollar changed its course to go lower. This rallying higher. Now, because of what it has done, this volume imbalance broken up on support, so it's rallying up. We have equal highs, too clean. I want to see that as a first object. But the dollar is going to go higher first before going lower. This will go lower first and be resisted by this. will be supported by this bullish order block before it rallies higher, sweep this high, and then go higher. This is where we're targeting. We're targeting. We're targeting. It's only significant movement lower. I want this high to be maintained, like I said earlier. Okay, so that's that. So daily time frame, this bullish order block, see price trade to it before it rallies higher. Okay, trade to it, shouldn't close below this one. What is this one? Go back to the time frame. That is your volume imbalance. I don't want to trade below and close below the volume imbalance. Okay, I need to go get to this point, this area, and then rally higher above this. That's what I want to see. And then get our monthly target. Okay, that's for NZD USD. Now USD card, monthly time frame. Same thing as in consolidating throughout. 2023 has been consolidating. I actually wanted this high to be broken. It didn't do that. It didn't do that. I anticipated several weeks that it's going to break this high. It didn't. Took out rejection block and then it went lower. This is where we are right now. We have this low and then this bullish order block. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm not seeing a situation where this low will be taken up. No, I'm going to take out this low. What I'm seeing is a situation where it trades, takes out the low of July and then assisted by this, or rather, supported by this bullish order block before any movement higher. So this low will be taken out and then for any movement higher. From weekly time frame, I want to see it first of all trade up. We have what? Bearish order block, FPG. So trade block as well. I want to trade to it, this zone first before it goes lower. After it goes lower, take out these lows, equal lows, into the bullish order block on weekly time frame. One time before we can see any significant movement higher. I still feel that this high will be taken out this year, 2024, to be taken out 2024. So what we're expecting to happen is a little retracement in January back to breaker block, weekly time frame, then it will go lower, take out these lows into the bullish order block before any significant movement higher. That's this highs. By the end of the year of 2025, I want to see movement higher after taking out this low. So daily time frame. Let's go back to weekly. So it added lower first, went up, swept liquidity here, consolidated, broke lower, took out all these lows, then took in, back to where bullish order block, valid higher, swept these highs, swept this particular one as well, and then rejection block. Swept rejection block, couldn't take out the high, and then gave up the lows. So that basically all lows. So I want to see trade back, filling this FBG before significant movement lower, clearing out this low in July, and then expect this bullish order block before any significant movement higher. Okay, so between now and March, I want to see that fulfilled before any movement high. Daily time frame is what you're looking at. So as it's showing unwillingness to go lower, I want to see rally up. That by this FPG on daily time frame. Which also those for me with the breaker on weekly time frame. I want to see trade to this level before any movement lower, taking out these lows, then into now value high. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. These highs should be maintained. I don't want to see trade above this high from now. To get to this level, trade lower, down, so something like this. Move up to this, and go lower before movement high. So this way. USD CAD, USD JPY monthly time frame. I wanted this high to be taken out. It didn't. We're going to see it clearly. It didn't. So we saw a movement higher, but didn't take out this high. And that's created what? Double top. So we could trade back to this level. We have a bullish order block here. Trade back to it before rallying higher. So monthly time or weekly time frame from the month of January, valid up. This was mitigation block, traded to it, broke lower, we didn't take out this low, and then rally higher. As I said, rallying, you know that this one will Japan swept higher back to this head which feed it completely, traded back, better block, then rally higher. I was of the opinion that this high will be taken out. It fell just short of it, and then started going lower. So if you take out this low, I'm expected, and there's small inefficiency here, and there's bullish order block. So that's where I'm looking at trading to ultimately before the movement higher. So from this low, this high, this is the level. Take out these lows inside this FPG. Back to 70.5% retracement. The week should do that before it starts running high. It shouldn't close below the 70.5% retracement, and it shouldn't close below. All right, that's what I'm looking at daily basis. Test could rally up again, filling this FPG completely. Not trade through this and still go lower. So rally up again, so rally up, then go lower before it goes what? Higher. Rally to this level, more time, go down, take out these lows, take out these lows, which is here, expect this bullish order block, and rally higher. Okay, as for USD JPY, where's the CHF? So January, February, March, April broke lower. So January to March was consolidation. Then April broke lower. Finally took out this low. Then in July, hitting the low of the year, rallied higher, and broke lower, took out the low of the year in December. I actually didn't expect this. It was when I looked at the chart again, I then saw this. It fell just short of it. And see, 20% of this week fell just short of it. Above there, fell just short of it. Look below this low, and then fell just short of it. So what are we expecting? The dollar is going to be bearish before bullish, so we want to see it break through this and then rally higher. If you trade below this low, you shouldn't get there. Just break through one more time, take out the low of December, which is like the low of the year, take it out and rally higher. I fell short of my objective. I told us last time, okay, that it's going to sweep because of that measurement I did, and it's going to go lower to the level. Swept it finally last week and see where we are. Fell short of our objective by some dips, and then this is where we are. What do I expect? Rally up to bullish order block, beta block, bearish beta block, bullish order block, but bearish order block, and then just so we want to see movement to this level before it goes lower. So movement up to this level, on this level. If it starts going out lower, this level should be okay because of the breakout. this level before it starts trading lower. So we want to see something like this, trade up to this level, and it goes lower before it goes higher. That's for USD CHF. Our indices, this high will be taken out. Already you can see from January, it rallied up with a double top, back to bullish order block, rallied higher, swept it, swept the rejection block, it's going to take out this all-time high. So by January, it's going to create an all-time high. January, I want to see it act as total soup to go lower. I want to see it act as total soup to go lower. Take out this low, take out these four lows, and then back to this, what do you call it, bullish order block right here. That's what I'm looking at. Weekly basis, you see 23 from here, validated January to March, running higher, created relatively poor highs, traded back to what? Bullish order block, and then rally higher, swept the relatively poor highs, swept the rejection block, and just fell short of our objective last week. So you can see that we didn't take out this high. What do you expect? A little retracement up to this breakout block here, and then want to see rally up, sweeping this high before significant movement lower. That's what I am looking at. Daily basis. So what do we look at daily basis? I want to see trade is clean lows, maybe touch this FPG here, and then rally high, take out this all-time high, and then for just trading. You know why? Because dollar first of all go up. So if dollar is going up, it will give this ample time to go down. We have FPGs here, we have breakout block here, trade to that level, see these lows, and then see if we can get willingness to get to this level. The measure from your low to your high right here. This is what I expect price, but it may not because this breakout block. Okay, so if breakout block is no price, and this FPG is going to hold price as support to send the market higher. To take out that clean high that we saw in this equal highs. So it has to retrace first. And what I expect we have FPG as well. Once it's to trace within the FPG to completely any movement high. Okay. The same thing in NASDAQ. NASDAQ has already swept this high. So one more pass, take out December's high. Take out December's high. Where the traces. So weekly time frame. This CB will act as higher VG, national VG, will go higher again. So I want to see movement lower to this before the rallies higher again. And let's take out the low of 18th of December. Take out that low where rallies higher, sweep this high, or it goes lower. Taking out these lows, all this inefficiency back to this. What do you call it? Bullish order block. Then just go to that before lows, resting below. So let's see how it goes. Our monthly time frame. That's January. This is January. So it's been bullish from January. Then moving from January, bringing this inefficiency back to bearish order block. We traced a little, and we break up block, and then the same price like this now. So these are three down close candles, bullish order block. When we see price trade before it moves, I have small inefficiency up here. So trade back to it before it moves high. So between now and March, let's see how it goes. Remember, this is monthly time frame. The weekly time frame is what we're looking at. So to this level, it goes high, and then after that it goes lower. So you want to see a movement down to this, then rally up before it goes down. Something will be relatively poor highs, and you can give up the ghost and go. That's the prognostication for like 6 months, more than 3 months, I think. All right. Next one is the US 30 or Dow Jones Industrial Average 30. Monthly time frame. This, this is January, consolidated around July, went up higher, came back. I was thinking it's going to go lower. It didn't. Went higher November and December. There we are right now. So weekly time frame, what you expect is in bullish from October and in bullish down to now. So I want to see a retracement. This high, I want to pull back into this region. It may pull back to this and go higher. Okay. I want to see pullback. At least the next the month of January should be bearish for this spread. Bearish for this spread. The core lows should be swept. So I want to see movement down to this. What is this area? That's weekly time frame. Should that be okay? Small FVG. See act as support to some price. But this is now a version FVG. So daily time frame. I want to see trade back to this. Let's touch this as well. Is there any other hand? Okay, touch this, trade to this level. Right here. Find movement. Movement. So trade to this value high. Next one is gold. For the month of this year 2023, validated took out these highs, traded back to bullish order block, traded higher for the ability to go highs. Finally swept it this month from December, swept it. You can see the reaction on the weekly time frame. This FVG has acted as inversion FVG and sending price high. So I think this high might be tested. Or let's see how it plays around this. It plays around this level. This is above this and this high. Next bunch of call. Okay. Expansion, consolidation, expansion. When we see retracement back to the bullish order block before it stands higher. So this way before it goes down. That's what I'm looking at. We have equal lows, monthly average. I think that's monthly average right here. But these are the areas I want. Its liquidity is resting. So you see some movement down to this level and then up before it goes down to something like this. This, and then sweep this. That's a long-term perspective. It's 3 months. What I'm looking at. It's 3 months to get it. Now I'm at to get to this level. Okay. And lastly, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin. So, like I keep saying, I'm saying that the highest bullish movement will be here as the highest. We have has deep premium to sell price down. I told us, I said, the moment it breaks above this shaded area on a monthly basis and close above it, we are going to target here. So that's less. You have equal highs, you have FVG, that's where we're targeting. So the bull run is to this level. All right, that's my anticipation. We will see a retracement back to this. What's this level? This is a weekly, I think weekly or monthly. Monthly is monthly CV. That's broken above it, so it will come back after the inversion FVG to same price higher. So expectation is to trade. You have a FVG here, clean lows, FVG here, but goes one more higher to this level. And after that, starts bearish movement. Start a bearish movement. So this level, clean lows, inside FVG. So one more drive down to this level, but goes back up. This is our target here. And after that, they fall. So we can fall in Bitcoin. So to get there, gets there, has deep premium to sell off. So these lows, and ultimately get to this below 10,000. That's my long-term anticipation. So before the end of 2024, we will see BTC get to around 10,000. I am still of the opinion that this high will be the all-time high. It will not go above $69,000. Not that above that price now. Don't get to that level. In fact, it won't get to that level. This is our resistance zone. Price. So we can analyze the market, look at what happened now for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is bullish this year. It's bullish. I see bullish movement was bullish this year. You want to see continuation. So something like this opens here, value up, and then sell off. So open high, low of 3, manipulation, and then distributes down. Okay, that's what so it was bullish this 2023, honestly bearish movement in 2024. Right? So that's it. That's it. All right. So thank you very much. My first official market analysis session for 2024 will be on Saturday. Saturday should be 6th of January 2024. This concludes the analysis for 2023. What happened in 2023 and what we may likely see happening in 2024. As always, we'll be doing weekly market analysis, monthly reviews. Hopefully, all these levels will be met. Remember, we always follow the market. We trade, we analyze based on the current market condition. We don't force our way on the market. Whatever the market gives us, we analyze based on what we're seeing and we trade in line with it. Till I talk to you next week, Saturday, I wish you all the best. Wish you Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and a prosperous New Year 2024. From here, from me, it is good night.